What's up, guys? Welcome to Fabspeed. We got an install on this 991 1.2 turbo going on right now. I'm going to give you a little quick look at our GT2 RS style system. So we have our high flow 200 cell HJS cats go into our helical valves and straight out when the valves are open. We actually developed this GT2 system before Porsche released the GT2 RS. It is one of our favorite systems by far. Valves closed, we got it running through the X pipe. Valves open, straight out here. Amazing sound, amazing power. Really can't beat it. All right, Mike, start it up.